Howdy YouTube, it's your buddy Ian for the Fix My House channel. Thanks for being here. In this video I'm going to share some of my quick tips on successfully installing these peel and stick floor tiles. Let's do it. Okay, so these are the Nexus Tile Collection peel and stick floor tiles. This is the color I use, it's kind of a 1950s style, and you can find these on Amazon. That's where I got them, links down below. I will admit I was quite skeptical of these when I first got them, when they first arrived, but they turned out to be just great. I was installing on top of existing very small original tile, and they went down very easily. Here are 3 quick tips for installing these. First off, the instructions are right on the back of the box, which is really nice. The number one most important thing, as you see right here, is you need to find the center of the room. Take a measurement from both sides, and where that point crosses, that's the middle of your room, and then start installing the tiles from that middle point. The second thing that's going to speed this process up is if you have the right cutting tools. There's 2 things to cut with. A nice razor knife going against a straight edge of some kind is going to be a really great way to cut these. That's step 1. Step 2, for any kinds of curves or angles, I really recommend cutting with a metal snips. This is a Midwest brand metal snips. There's a link to all these tools in the description. This is going to really help you very easily cut these tiles, as you're going to see here in just a moment. 3 is having a contour tool. This is a contour tool. If you have to go against any base trim or any edges or any curves, these things are absolutely vital to get a good cut. So the contour tool, you just press it against something, for example, just like that. Now, that's not perfect. See how I got that really nice angle? Then you're going to trace that on your piece with a marker or a pencil of some kind, and then come back and cut it. The link's in the description for this also. This is handy for all kinds of cutting, flooring, trim, etc. So what you're going to see in the rest of this video is a sped up version of me using a contour tool to cut one of the final pieces of peel and stick tile to go down on the floor against the base trim. Hope this video helps. If it did, feel free to subscribe and check out more videos. This is where we fix your house. We'll see you again on the next one, and have a great day.